Okay, so hopefully you can see the computer screen there. I did a video outside the office building a little bit talking about the Platinum Team Leader in OSA workshop coming up on July 9th and July 9th and July 11th. So here it is posted on the Platinum Closed Group, Secret Group Facebook page. Okay, so I'm going to start at 10:30 in the morning and I'm going to finish up about 3:30 in the afternoon. Okay, it's going to be a live studio audience. All of the Platinum members that are within driving distance are going to be there. Okay, and that's who I'm going to be working with. So those of you that are back home or not within driving distance, you want to watch this on live stream, and it's going to be live streamed directly through the Platinum Facebook page. Okay, so on the 9th, working with sellers, right here it says best lead generation systems to get seller leads. So we're going to highlight 1 or 2 or 3 lead generation systems to get seller leads. Now before I go any further, I'm going to show you where I just uploaded several training videos on the Guaranteed Sale program, Your Home Sold Guaranteed or I'll Buy It USP. So I'm going to go back to that in a minute. I'm just mentioning that to you so that you keep watching the video. Right? All right. Next, the conversion systems. This includes remarketing ads, all the callback scripts, and the benefits presentations. Okay, we've got to do more than just call the leads. We've got to remarket and follow up with them in some other ways so that we increase the likelihood of conversion. And then we're going to get into the sales and the service platform. Since the marketplace is slowing a little bit, getting the listing sold becomes even a bigger deal, right? So we do have a sales system and we have a service system. The longer the average days on the market for your listings, the more important the customer service aspect is, okay? So that's going to make up the first day on July 9th, 10:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Eastern time, okay? Now, when we circle back up on the 11th, okay, let me scroll down here. On the 11th, when we're working with buyers, okay, we're going to get right into the best lead generation systems for getting buyers. The top 1, 2, or 3 of those. Then we're going to get into the conversion systems of buyers. Same thing, remarketing, as well as the over-the-phone follow-up, even using text message, okay? Then we're going to get into the presentation, setting, negotiating, collecting your fee, what your offer package should look like on every buyer when you're making them offers. Remember, the idea is to generate a 5-star review. So if you just do things kind of the way other real estate agents do them, there's not much difference between you and the other agents. So what can you do differently to make the experience better for the buyer? So even submitting the offer and how you go about doing that can make a big difference in referrals and repeat business, especially getting those 5-star reviews. So we're going to work on that, making sure that this buyer becomes a lifetime customer. All right, one quick point on that. There is no such thing as a past client. That might be industry terms and language, but that's not the words that you use here in this system, in the Quantum Leap system, in Platinum. We don't use that. There's before closing and after closing. They're just always a client, okay? We want to take the client, actually make them a raving fan. So if we treat people like past clients, we're not going to do that. So there's just before they close on their primary and after they close on their primary, they're just always a client. We're not going to treat people as a past client. But after closing, you will make different offers than you did before they closed on their primary house. So all that's going to be covered July 9th and 11th at the OSA Team Leader and OSA Workshop. July 9th and 11th, 10:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. All right, one more thing. I'm going to go here to the Craig Proctor website here, craigproctorcoaching.com. #1 real estate business system. Coaching and training in history, no question about that. Here I am, file library, so follow along. When I get into the file library, down the right-hand side of the screen here, there's this library called Platinum Guaranteed Sale Program Library. See that? So I'm just going to click on the Platinum Guaranteed Sale Program Library. Just draw your attention to a file that we just uploaded. It's ID 2333. Guaranteed Sale Program USP Training, 6 videos. They were too big to put in there individually, so we had to put a zip file in here. So when you download that zip file, you're going to download 6 training videos. I recommend you go and do that. Watch those over the next week or so, and it will really help you get better at Your Home Sold Guaranteed or I'll Buy It, and getting more listings from it and leveraging that thing in ways that you didn't even know. All right, look, you guys are awesome. I want to thank you for watching the video. Go serve big. Hey, reach out if you need some extra help on anything. We're here for you. The phone number is 678-436-8292. That's going to get you to the platinum part of the Craig Proctor system. Me, Dana, Tom, all of us here are available to help you. 678-436-8292. And you can always email me at platinum@toddwalters.com as well, okay? Especially if your business is not progressing, all right? That's what we're here for. And do not miss the conferences, okay? That's our meeting time to work on this business and scale it. All right, you good? All right, good. Go serve big. Thanks. See you.